Yanny, thank you so much for joining us here today, and congratulations to Envista on being a Certified Top Employer 2026. I've just come off stage where we've unveiled our new World of Work Trends report for 2026, and we'd love to ask you a few questions about how that's really coming to life in Envista.
Yeah, sure.
So firstly, our first trend is all around what we call purpose in practice. And I'm curious about your business. Can you think of a moment where leaders have really had to use the purpose for guidance when it came to a particularly difficult decision that you can share with us?
Sure, I'm very happy to be here today. And purpose is so important for our company. And in Envista, our purpose is really always his partnership with the dental professionals to improve patient lives. So this guides our every decision, especially in the trade-off situation. So first of all, I have to say we consistently invest in the education for the customer and our employees. And every year we organize more than 3,000 training sessions for the clinics and also the dentists, including the technology and the surgery skills. And the outcome is benefit more patients and also elevate the scale of the care, right?
Yes.
And also we provide trainings to the employees to well equip them to serve the market. The second one is we also invest a lot in the R&D to provide the innovation solutions to the market.
Yes.
For example, very exciting, we have the orthodontic innovation solutions like Diamond Ultima. I don't know if you know that. And ODB is digital products.
Sounds interesting, and that's a digital product.
Yeah, that's digital product. And meanwhile, last year, we reinforced our investment to make a very big, nearly 1 billion RMB investment to establish a new manufacturing site in China. So this plant will produce the advanced implant and the brackets wire products in China. It's the first time. So very exciting for that.
Congratulations.
And the last, we very active support unserved remote regions in China. And in the consecutive 4 years, we actually run the program, Children's Oral Health Program, under Envista Smile Project Foundations. And so far, we served more than 10,000 children in China market. We are super proud and continue want to do that.
I'm sure, And in serving 10,000 children, I can imagine many of your employees have been involved in that as well.
That's right.
And we certainly see that when purpose like that gets activated in the business, it has such positive impact on how your employees think about Envista and its place in the market. That's great to hear. Thank you very much for sharing. Now, the second trend we were talking about, we called it AI with intent. And I think around the world, we've been around, say, 2 years of a lot of experimentation with AI. And we're now at a point where companies are making big bets with AI and really looking to scale it, but also preserve, human judgment, all the great stuff that we bring to the world of work as well. Have you got an example where Envista's made a big bet with AI that's paying out?
So in Envista, we always see AI as like assistive intelligence instead of artificial intelligence, meaning a tool empower people, but rather, replacing them. So that's the concept.
Can you give me an example? I'm just trying to think about how it works with dental.
Our, the software global leader, he always says, AI alone has limited value. But with the hands of the skilled professionals, dental professional, AI will achieve extraordinary, outcome. So this actually guides us not only in the product innovation, but also in the daily operation. So one of the examples is we always, in every stage of the product development, we will involve the dental professional, skilled one. And this will ensure the AI enhance the clinical judgment, but also maintaining the compliance, like oversight, ethical oversight.
That's a great example of having the expertise of the dental surgeon alongside then the fact the AI tool can enhance their insight into what they're working on.
That's right. And meanwhile, in the internal operation, because I'm in charge of all the supporting functions, our, the finance, HR, and IT supply chain, we apply a lot of AI tools, and we use that to make our work. We work very smart and improve the efficiency and reduce a lot of manual work. So that's great.
Great. And that's a wonderful bridge to my next question. We're also looking at how we basically review work. We look at work again, and we look at how do we get our employees really focused on the work that matters and removing some of that work that kind of holds us back, the stuff that doesn't really add value there as well. So I think you were heading that way a little bit. Have you got an example of that?
Right. In Envista, we had a very famous system. It's the Envista Business System, named EBS.
Okay.
That system is a very comprehensive framework of the mindset and also methodologies and the tools to help our operations from the strategy to execution. Yeah, one of them is PSP. Yeah. It's very frequently used is the problem solve process. So this will help the leadership, not only leadership, but also the employees to identify the problems and fix it through a very systematic way and in a short period of time. Very effective.
Yes.
And also we have the VMDM, it's a visual management, daily management process. And this also helps the leadership and the employees to make sure they clarify the work and have the strong ownership. Overall, continuous improvement is the culture embedded in the Envista, and we always regularly initiate the Kaizens. Do you know the Kaizens?
Yeah, absolutely, yes.
Yeah, to reduce the low-value task and to make sure our work, optimized.
Yeah, that sounds wonderful. And what we were talking about earlier was all about how we help our organizations become more agile as well, so they can respond to the market demands much faster. So great example having that right in the business.